Today I have something really special to share with you all. As you know, this channel is not just about content. It's about a community and making a positive difference together. And we are not just a community, we are a family that is growing every single day. We have reached 60 plus subscribers and that's incredible. But here is the thing, I believe that with a great number comes great responsibility, and I want to take that responsibility to the next level. We all know about environmental challenges that our planet faces today, but rather than feeling overwhelmed, I believe in taking action, no matter how small it seems. That's why for every milestone we hit from now on, we are going to do something really remarkable. With 62 amazing subscribers already part of our amazing journey, I have been thinking, what if we could make our mark on the world for every new subscriber that join us. So here is the big reveal. For every milestone we hit from now on, we are going to plant that many trees. Yeah, you heard it right. That means if we hit 100 subscribers, we are going to plant 100 trees. If we hit 1000 subscribers, we are going to plant 1000 trees. And same for 10,000, 1 lakh and so on. Each and every one of you is going to be a part of this incredible initiative. And it's not just about numbers. It's about making a real, tangible difference in the world. We are turning our virtual family into a forest, one subscriber at a time. But here is the best part. It's not just about me planting the trees. It's about us as a community coming together to make a difference. So every time you hit that subscribe button or share this content, you are not just supporting our content, you are going to plant a tree. You are going to restoring the ecosystem and you are leaving a legacy for the generations to come. You are not just watching this happen, you are the ones who making this happen. So let's do this together. Share this video, hit that subscribe button and let's grow our initiative. Remember, it's more than a channel, it's a movement, and you, my friend, is the heart of it. Let's make the world little greener, one click at a time. This is our time to shine, to show that together we can do something extraordinary.